YSK that when Amazon cancels an order, you may not be getting refunded automatically. Why YSK don't let Amazon keep your money? Recently I placed 2 orders on Amazon for 2 of the same item, both about $30 each. Shortly after these were marked as cancelled, no notification or email, but I noticed. After this, I then reordered but as one order this time for about $60. After this went past the delivery date, I eventually had to contact Amazon and again cancel this order. A few days later I received a refund for $60, and I thought it was odd that it wouldn't have come through as 2 refunds of $30 if it were from the first refund. It turned out, after I contacted customer service, that they never refunded the original order. This prompted me to then recall an order I placed, and was ultimately cancelled by Amazon without notice, back in December. I reviewed my statements and found that this hadn't been refunded either. I reached out to Amazon and they refunded it, but with over 3 months having passed, they had never refunded the item. Could be worth checking your previous orders for anything you've ever had cancelled on you reordered because of that. Edit: this was Amazon Canada. They were all items sold by Amazon. This must be new policy because the rare cancelled order I've had with Amazon USA or UK has normally been refunded back to the payment source. Were these sold by Amazon or third-party sellers? My previous purchases were almost always with Amazon itself. I've also returned items to Amazon and gotten my refund only to have them turn around a couple of months later and charge me for them because they said they didn't receive the item. I've had to call and then they act like they're doing me a favor by refunding me again. These are usually items I've sent back via Kohl's, so either there's a glitch in the system or employees are making off with returned items. Yep, I had an order on its way and then it was either lost or destroyed. They said I would be refunded when it returned to the warehouse. 30 days later, no refund. I had to call customer service for my refund. The same thing happened to me, but I did get an email. 3 months later I still hadn't gotten the refund, so I called and they did it right then. If I never noticed, or never called, I doubt I'd have gotten my money back. Amazon doesn't charge you till it ships. OMG, having the very same issue now and I never had it this frequently as is happening now. Victory hand. You need to reach out to your bank, not Amazon. If I ever call Amazon first, I let them know I'm doing it as a courtesy because my bank will take care of it, no questions asked. Honestly, I have stopped using Amazon services as the quality of their services and products have gone down the toilet.